Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. For today's recipe, this week I'm going to show you how to make the easiest pumpkin pancakes using this pumpkin spice muffin mix. Woo! So first you're going to start off by heating up your griddle. You want your pan to be nice and hot because this mixes up really fast. So you just want to have that waiting for you. Make sure it doesn't get too hot though. If you can't find this brand, you could always use like Pillsbury brand, and some other brands have like a similar flavor, pumpkin spice. You're gonna put not 1 cup, 2/3 cup. You could put 1 cup of water and you'll have thinner pancakes or milk, or you can add 2/3 cup and you're gonna have pretty thick pancakes. So let's see. Whisk these up. Okay, here's our batter. That's what it looks like. For the first set of pancakes, I like to put some butter down just so they won't stick, because you know how the first pancakes, they don't always turn out the best. So I only butter the first pancakes, and then after, don't even add butter. So go ahead and put them down. Once you see like the little bubbles, just go ahead and use a flip. Okay, and there you go guys. Like, were these not the fastest pancakes you've ever made in your life? They smell so good. Look at them. Oh, they literally smell like pumpkin. And this makes about, I would say, 6 to 8 pancakes. Now you could use other flavors, but I wouldn't necessarily because, you know, they have blueberry and chocolate chip, but for those I would just use regular instant pancake mix and just put some, you know, either some frozen or fresh blueberries on top or some chocolate chips. For these ones, if you wanted to do some add-ons, I would add some nuts like pecans or even some walnuts. My favorite part about these pancakes is how nicely they rise. I mean, look at that. And they're so fluffy that you can even peel this off. They're just, this mix is wonderful. I know it's a muffin mix, but for pumpkin spice pancakes, this is just a really easy recipe. And look at those nuts. That adds a nice little crunch, a little texture with the fluffiness of the pancake. Look how it just peels off. It's so yummy. When it soaks up that syrup, this tastes unbelievable. So that's it. Breakfast is ready. Of course, you're gonna add some butter, because come on, these are pancakes. You can't leave out the butter. And that is it, guys. Of course, you're gonna put some maple syrup on top. Whoa, that looks so indulgent, doesn't it? Look at, this is like Pinterest perfect pancakes. Let's try some. You saw how fluffy they are. I'm gonna show you a little bit more. Whoa, OMG. I love when my pancakes are fluffy like this. When they're too dense, I can't stand that. And that's kind of hard to get with pumpkin pancakes because pumpkin is a little bit dense. Oh, wow, these smell so good. Whoa, what the heck? These literally melt in your mouth. I don't know if this recording even does justice. They're so flaky. You don't even have to break them with your fork. You could just fluff them up and put them right in your mouth. I know I didn't serve myself on a plate because I'm gonna eat all of these. Who out there likes to eat pancakes for dinner? Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. I post new videos. They're always super quick and easy every single week. And as usual, they always have a unique twist.